How to restore your locked Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you are using the latest version of Facebook. To check that, you can launch your App Store or Play Store. Now, at the very top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in the app name Facebook and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch the app. You will land to the home page. Now navigate to the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, scroll down. Navigate to the option of Help and Support. Click on the option of Report a Problem. Now click on the option of Continue to Report. Click on Include. Now select the option of Marketplace. Now here you have to describe about your issue that your marketplace has been locked. You haven't violated any guidelines of marketplace, but still your marketplace has been blocked. And within 24 hours, Facebook support team will get back to you and you can have the conversation with Facebook support team, and with that your problem will be resolved. So this way you can easily restore your locked Facebook marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.